Okay, who's Elf? I wanna make sure people know about it. Who's Elf?
An elf is Santa's helper.
Então, é o ajudante do Papai Noel. E o que ele faz?
He moves around every night.
Ele move durante a casa.
And he goes and checks if we have been naughty or nice. He tells Santa.
E checa se as crianças foram boazinhas ou malvadas. Que mais?
If you touch him,
Se tocar nele.
He will lose all his magical powers and he will put you on the naughty list. And if you touch him, he won't move.
Ele vai embora hoje pro North Pole?
He goes the day he goes Christmas Eve. So he stays there for a year and a half.
Oh, I'm glad you're saying that because I need to explain for the other kids they don't have, so that's what it's video for. So thank you for information.
And elves are very special. They look like dolls, but...
Oh, you name yours also. What are your name yours?
My elf's name is Max.
Do you have another elf? Anybody's elf name different?
Yes. My friend's name is, I think it...
Roberto. Elf Roberto.
Don't listen to him. It's Madison.
Maximus.
Mommy. No, there's another friend. Are you shy? And there's another friend.
Livy.
Are you shy?
Where's Elf? Is that in the tree? Yes?
Not this tree.
I think Elf can hide in your hair, Olivia. What do you think? Será que ele não se esconde nos cachinhos do teu cabelo?
And that's what you learn about elves.
No.
Oh man. More.
Fala.
So, you can leave him cookies if you want it. You can leave him stuffed.
E ele comeu bolacha ontem, né?
He ate my doghouse. Snoopy doghouse. It's made out of crackers. And he's gonna eat a candy cane, and he took a baby.
Ó o furacão lá.
Out of a crepe. But he's not gonna take it. For some reason. We hope. Skyla and Serenity help.